Welcome back guys to another Android development tutorial. Today we'll be talking about a very important subject that comes into play when dealing with larger projects. What I'm talking about is detecting all of the warning in the entire project. For instance, as you can see in this case, I have an if statement that isn't being used and a variable that isn't being used as well. If we go into activity main layout, we see text views with two hard-coded text. As you can see, we have warning on the both of them. Now, in larger projects, this can happen all the time where we have an if statement that we don't use anymore or a variable we don't use anymore and we simply forget about it. So when we have a lot of classes, it's very hard to detect all of the warning and really make good optimization throughout the project. So I'll show you a very cool and simple way on how to do it. So let's get started. Now all you need to do is go into your top navigation, click on Analyze, Inspect Code, and then we are given an option to select in which module or file, etc. we would like to run the inspection. In our case, let's do it for the entire project and let's click OK. Now, as you can see, it didn't took a lot of time due to the fact that it's a very small project and we got several warnings. Hard-coded text in the activity main, it shows us where it is. Very useful. Security, we have an issue in the manifest. Kotlin as well, problem in the code, control flow. If has empty body, redundant construct. As you can see, we are receiving all of the warning in the project. In very large project, it will come very handy. You'll be able to fix a lot of issues very quickly without the need to go in every file. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video about this cool trick. If you did, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment below what you want to see next. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.